Okay friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out these wireless guitar transmitters and receivers. Bluetooth for background music, microphone input, monitor headphone output, control volume, all kinds of good stuff here. There's the instructions. Check out this little container it comes in. Boom, that's nice. Let's check these out. All right, so it has a little logo on the back there. That's for your amp. Has a little power button here on the side. That's pretty sweet. These are really small. This one has a little guitar symbol on there. This features the little Bluetooth symbol there. This is for your headphone jack and volume, and then on the opposite side it's got your microphone with the jack and all that on there. That's pretty cool. I like how this is adjustable. And then in the case, this part just flips up, and here you have a USB to split to double USB-C things, so we can just power this up real quick, charge it up. The charger ports are on the end, so we can just plug those in, get this fully charged, and we'll show you how it looks. So one thing's cool about this, plug this in here, is it brings up like the charge on there. So I wanted to show you that real quick and check that out. So it has the display right there. This one's already at 100% and this one's at 75, and it shows the little lightning bolt that it's charging. So gonna get this fully charged, hook this up to the guitar and the amp, and check it out. Well friends, we're sitting at 100% on both the receiver and the transmitter. Let's go plug them into our guitar and our amp and see how well it works. So we just plugged the amp one right in here, and then we plugged this into the guitar right there, and then we can play and transmit the sound over to that one wirelessly. We can turn it up. Turn it up. Okay, so if you guys are looking to unplug and not be wired in, it's nice and convenient not to have to worry about stumbling over a cord or something like that. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.